Hi there and welcome back. In this module, we will learn how to select the best-selling product for you to promote as an affiliate. One good thing about affiliate marketing is, which I bet you would agree, is that you don't have to worry about the lack of products to promote. That's because new products are launched every day. In short, there's plenty of abundance. However, not all of them will sell. If you pick a product that doesn't bring profit, then it'll be a waste of time, energy, and money, especially when advertising's involved. Therefore, it is imperative that you choose the best product. If you're skilled and efficient enough, you'll play a bigger role than the product vendor in generating sales. They'll depend on you to bring in the buyers. Sounds like extra cash to me. But you might be wondering, how do you define a wrong product? How do you avoid from making these mistakes? Or in other words, what's the definition of a good product? All you need to do is head to jvzoo.com's product library. If you don't have an account for this site yet, what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Once you've done all the mandatory items during the sign-up process, head into the marketplace. What you need to do is find out what's been selling on JVZoo for the past 6 months. You heard me, 6 months of average products sold in JVZoo is enough for you to set your eyes on the best item to promote out there. Head to Featured Products. That's how you start studying the kinds of products your potential vendors are selling out there. The amount of sales they're making, the types of products they're selling, and the commissions affiliates can earn. Now, don't stop there. What comes after this is making a list of the 6 months of featured products. Use any spreadsheet that you've got and categorize the products. I'd recommend you start by separating them according to the month of the product launch, following their name, type of product, and earnings. Eventually, it's up to you to measure each product in the simplest way, because at the end of the day, you need to conclude your studies by highlighting the products that work best. You'll notice that some products are selling more than others, even if they're in the same category. Therefore, it's important that you just don't pick random products to promote. Take note of their commission. Which of these are selling like hotcakes and which are the least favored among buyers?